Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit Shopify blog image. Let's get started. So in order to do that, let's first head over to our blog post. Now under this blog post, we should be able to see a blog that we have. So for me, I already have this blog and this blog right here. Let's change it to visible. And then over here, we should be able to see this featured image. Now I don't have an image yet, so let's head over and add an image for this one. So let's add this particular image. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. So in here, I can also update that and click on this right here to edit the image. Now on this image right here, I can add in here a bit description of this image. So for me, I'll just put in white, floppy, cute dog. So this will serve as the image alt text. So what we can do next is we need to click on save right here in order to save the alt text that we have for this specific picture right here. So once you have done that, head over and click on the save button right there. And after you have done that, you should be able to see the actual image that we have edited. So that's the whole process. If you haven't found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.